Good day, automotive connoisseurs, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into the future of automotive artistry and engineering. We're casting our gaze toward 2026 and exploring a vision of what could be the next evolution of a fan favorite, the Mazda CX-50. What you're about to witness is a masterclass in design, a fusion of rugged capability and unparalleled elegance. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement. Feast your eyes on this magnificent exterior. The 2026 Mazda CX-50, presented here in a pristine, pearlescent white, commands attention. Mazda's signature Kodo design philosophy, soul of motion, has been elevated to an unprecedented level. The front fascia is a testament to this evolution. Notice the aggressive yet sophisticated grille, a departure from the current generation, now featuring a more intricate and imposing pattern. Flanked by menacingly sleek LED headlights that seamlessly integrate into the chrome signature wing, the CX-50 exudes a predatory yet refined aura. Every line, every curve on the body panel has been meticulously sculpted to create a dynamic interplay of light and shadow, giving the vehicle a sense of motion even at a standstill. Moving along the side, the robust and muscular wheel arches, a signature of the CX-50, are now more pronounced, housing these stunning, intricate black alloy wheels that provide a stark, beautiful contrast to the white bodywork. The blacked-out side skirts and cladding not only enhance its rugged appeal, but also improve its aerodynamic profile. The silhouette is both athletic and graceful, a harmonious blend of a powerful SUV and a luxurious grand tourer. Step inside, and you're immediately enveloped in an ambiance of modern luxury and driver-centric design. The cabin of the 2026 CX-50 is a sanctuary of black, accentuated with subtle yet striking details. The dashboard architecture is a marvel of ergonomic design, with a minimalist approach that prioritizes functionality without sacrificing aesthetic appeal. A fully digital instrument cluster provides the driver with all necessary information in a clear, concise, and customizable display. The centerpiece of the dashboard is the widescreen infotainment system, elegantly perched and perfectly integrated. Your attention is inevitably drawn to the meticulously crafted center console. The gear selector is both a tactile pleasure and a work of art, surrounded by intuitive controls for the vehicle's various systems. Notice the ambient blue lighting that gracefully illuminates the console, adding a futuristic touch to the sophisticated atmosphere. The seats, upholstered in a combination of premium leather and what appears to be a suede-like material, offer both supreme comfort and exceptional support. What are your thoughts on this potential future for the Mazda CX-50? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more glimpses into the future of automotive excellence. Until next time, drive with passion.